there's a lot of franchises you can look at. All right. This is one, Senior Care Authority. There's Care Patrol, there's Oasis, but let's look at this one. Not to make one better than the other, but there is a $50,000 minimum cash requirement to get in this industry. I've said on previous videos, you have to understand that either know the process, know how this business works, or you have to buy a franchise. Or you can just jump into the academy and pay a fraction of that cost. Oh, baby. That's what I would be looking at. But look at this. Senior Care Authority, not only have to have $50,000 up front, there's going to be monthly fees that you're going to have to pay. And to qualify, you need a net worth required of $150,000. So if you're not already currently making money and you cannot be working minimum wage right now, you cannot be barely getting by or have a bad credit score, no money in the bank, those type of things to qualify for these franchises. But